How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome back to Facebook Ads for Small Businesses, where I teach small business owners exactly how to run Facebook ads for their business so they don't have to pay someone like me thousands of dollars a month to do it for them. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be continuing on with my brother's account. We're going to be turning on some ads. I'm going to be starting a retargeting ad just using a reach campaign, and I'm also going to be doing a prospecting ad, and I'll show you why inside of the video. I think the audiences are just starting to get a little saturated. The Pixel hasn't really searched out new audiences yet. It's only really been searching for people who are likely to convert. I just want to broaden the data that's my Pixel's collecting, and a good way to do that is using a prospecting ad. So I'm going to set up one of those today. I haven't really touched on prospecting ads yet. This should be pretty valuable for someone who's just getting started. This should be pretty good. Before I jump into today's video, guys, if you're following along, hit that subscribe button for us, hit that like button, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Like I said, this training is perfect for any small business owner. Literally any product that you sell, whether a builder, a plumber, you sell security cameras, you sell blankets online, you sell kids clothes, whatever you do, if you're selling products online, the training that I'm going through in this video and all my other videos and all the playlists that I provide on my YouTube channel are absolutely priceless and absolutely free. So feel free to check out my YouTube channel and go through all my content. You know, if you like it, hit that subscribe button for it. Let's jump into today's video. So here's my retargeting ad, and it's actually a reach retargeting ad, and I turned it on yesterday before I thought about recording it. It's already on. It's a reach campaign, so I'm just going to quickly open it up and show you what it looks like. I'm using a reach campaign because they're really cheap. Facebook's actually changed a lot in the last couple of days. As you can see, it's changed its all layout and stuff like that. Everything else, it's all pretty much the same. I've used a reach campaign, and the reason why I'm using a reach campaign is because they're really, really cheap. And if we look at the stats of it, I'm getting $5.88 per 1,000 impressions. So I'm just retargeting people that have, I think it's a combination of hot and warm retargeting. So it should be an audience that has either visited the website or have interacted on the Facebook page or Instagram. Usually I would separate that. Anyone that's interacted on my Instagram page or Facebook page would normally be a warm retargeting ad. Anyone that's visited the website would usually be a hot retargeting ad. But because those audiences aren't very big, I've just combined them into one ad. So I thought it'd just be easier. So a quick look, we've got the reach ad. Like I said, we started it yesterday. It's very, very cheap. It's gotten 1,500 impressions so far. Spent $8, and we've got some good clicks out of it. $2.80 a click, which is good. And what I've done is, and the reason why I've done that is because when we look at the maximum date range, I can see that these ads are starting to be shown a lot of times. It's been shown 100,000 times, but only to 37,000 people. These ads have been shown 37,000 times, but only to 15,000 people, which means Facebook's just showing it to the same audience over and over and over again. Let's see, 2.6 times, 2.4 times. That's a retargeting ad, so that's fine. And that's a little bit too much. So let's just have a look at our ads. And the ads are 2.2 for the original ads, and even the new ads are starting to get shown. And what that tells me is the audience sizes are big, so they shouldn't be showing them to the same people over and over and over again because the audience sizes are big. But it tells me that it doesn't know who else to look for. The Pixel hasn't got more data put in it yet, and it's just going after the people that it knows convert. So it's got a data set that it's going after, and it's just going to keep going after that data set because those people have been proven to convert. And because I've only ever been targeting conversion campaigns when I'm running these ads, it's just got a very limited data set that it's going after. So what I want to do is I want to start a prospecting ad, and what that's going to do is it's going to go out to a lot of people very cheap. I'll probably get cost per thousands for $1 or $2. And what we'll do is it will just expand the data set that the Pixel is collecting, because random people that probably wouldn't have clicked on it before are now going to see this ad and click on it. They're going to watch videos. They're going to come to the website. They're going to click on contact page and all that sort of stuff. And I'm just getting really, really cheap data into my Pixel, so then it broadens its data set. That's my theory on it anyway. Hopefully it helps a little bit. It's really cheap, so I'll probably only spend $5 a day on it or something like that. Let's set one up really quickly And what I could probably do is I could probably just use this retargeting ad. So what I've done with this retargeting ad, I've just set up, it's at $5 a day. Here's the ad set. And then inside the ad itself, I've got like 8 ads. Because this is really cheap, I can put heaps of ads in there, and it will just show all these different ads to people that have either visited the website or watched the video or interacted some way on the Facebook page. In the retargeting ads, especially on reach retargeting ads, you can put 10 ads in there, and it's really, really cheap to reach a lot of people. It's just a good way of showing heaps of different ads to people that have seen some of your products before. Let's do the same thing, but do it for prospecting, and I need to add some new ads in here as well. So let's just come here, and I can just literally duplicate this. This is Facebook's new setup, and to be honest, I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is just X out of it, and it should give me the original view. This is just easier to read. I like this view better. That other one's just confusing. Reach. I want to use prospect. I want to call it prospecting. That's all I can do. It's a reach campaign. Really, really cheap, really effective. CBO is fine. I'm only going to have the one ad set. Let's come to the ad set. Prospect. Facebook page is selected. 6 impressions every 10 days. I could probably edit this. This is how much I want to. I could probably have it. I don't want people to get bogged down, so let's do that. 1 impression every 30 days. That means each Facebook user will only see my ad once within the first 30 days. Because it's going to have so many different ads in it, I could probably up that. Yeah, let's leave it at that. I'm going to start it straight away because I'm not optimizing for anything, so I can run it straight away. That's fine. I want to reach completely cold audiences, so I'm keeping all my exclusions on. Oh no, they're in the wrong one. These are retargeting ads, so I want to move these audiences into the exclusions. So I want to move them here. All website visitors. Facebook. It's the so I want to exclude anyone that's visited my page before. I just want brand new cold audiences. I want to target, yeah, Brisbane to Gold Coast. That's fine. There's my demographics. I want to have a massive audience size. Interior designs, there we go, luxury real estate. I just want to have a very broad audience because these ads are going to show a lot of people for very cheap. I don't really care how big the audience size is, to be honest. That should be a couple 100,000. Because I've got my exclusions in there, it's not going to pop up, but I know that's going to be a big audience, so that's fine. Leave this as automatic, that's fine down there. What I want to do, I want the ads like that. Copy 7's fine. I need my original ad, which is my best performing one. It's got a lot of nice bathrooms. Even that one looks nice. Might even put 8 in there. Where's my winning ad? always try and remember when you're putting ads on your Facebook page, stuff like that, make sure it's always got the link in the ad, because if people have to go searching for a link, they're just not going to do it. So quick thing to remember, events are on. So let's have a quick overview of what I've done here. I've set up a reach prospecting ad. It's going to want to have one ad set as normal. Let's come over to the ad. I need to change all these. So they should all be good. Cool. And I'm just going to publish it. So this will be a good way to bring in fresh data into our pixel, because our pixel from day one has pretty much just gone after people that are likely to convert, and that's a very limited data set. So I just want to get fresh data in there to try and expand my pixel's reach, so it starts looking for new people that it might not have thought were going to convert, but hopefully they do. This is a good way to just get fresh data into our pixel very, very cheaply. And that's pretty much all we're going to do in this video, guys. That's going to be active in probably 30 minutes or so. It's in review. So like I said, I started fresh for this month. Started a retargeting campaign yesterday, just using a reach ad, retargeting website visitors and people who visited Facebook and Instagram or have interacted with any of the ads whatsoever. And that's pretty much running the same ads as what I just set up then for the prospecting ads. Yeah, should get some pretty good results in the next week or so. I haven't spoken to my brother in a week or so I don't know how the quotes and all that are going. I'm guessing they're going good because he hasn't said anything. I will speak to him probably over the weekend, and then the next video I make, I'll give you an update on how much work he's got and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that, guys. That's it for this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks, guys.